goes this way. Okay, goes this way. Good job. Nice. Good boy. This is where there was a lot of critters before. We should have put food on the track. Critters.
Oh.
Yes. From now on, when Catherine comes out, I want food on her track. Lots thereof, particularly where there might be any mousies. This is a big critter area. She's had trouble here before. So yes, Catherine, I would like you to ask for food on your tracks so that we have food available for critter training to work through the distractions, okay? Is there a track after the pond? So it's going to go through all that water? Good. Catherine, let him work through the water. You are at a corner. He's not going to track it exactly, so you need to work him through this water. Are the cross-track flags on the track or not?
No, they're yes, the crosscut. Right there, those two and those two.
I know that they're there. I'm asking how far off they got moved.
10 yards.
10 yards. Thank you. That's what I need to know. Good. Go with him. You want to, he's telling you there's a corner in here somewhere. He's got to work through all that water. And wind. So when you're laying this track, you have the option to go a little bit further too, right? I know you don't have as much room down in the far corner though when you do that. Harder to get the cross tracks in when you have that obstacle up there, I guess, right?
Yeah. Right after the
there an article here?
Yes, there
After
was.
your... Okay.
After the water. I put it on purpose after the water.
Okay, so find your article. Is that your orange lid there?
Yeah. Yeah.
Which way did the flags get moved off the cross-track? To the right. Catherine, we're standing on your line over here, apparently. So where was your corner marker?
The white box and the sign over there.
And the green sign?
Yeah.
That looks like an acute corner. To me.
No, it was the right angle.
Okay. Good boy. No, apparently it's too early, she says, for the corner.
It's after the...
Am I going through this water?
Yeah.
That looks good. Looks good. Did those cross-track flags get moved?
They're to the left.
Okay, good. Downwind cross tracks, he's always good. Good job! Good job!
He did the cross-track thing before he got to the cross-tracks. Like,
Yeah, which was kind of strange because it's kind of upwind.
yeah. Thank you.
So circle him all the way. Turn! Circle him all the way around you. There. Try to circle them both directions. Good. Circle them both ways if you can. That's it. Good. Yes, that's right. No, keep going. Keep turning your body. Get him going in the direction that you want him to circle. I'm seeing the head turns and the pulls. There! There! Ha-ha! Good! So when the dog is showing you loss of scent and they're searching, I want you to work on pivoting the dog all the way around you, which means turning ahead of the dog and get them circling this way, and then get them circling that way. You don't know which direction is going to be easier for them, but you need to actually turn ahead of the dog. If they're only doing a half a circle in front of you, you're only searching half the pie. And I'm telling you, we're going to spend a month or two doing zigzags and practicing this, because I'm seeing everybody having difficulty with their circling. Read Sill's corner theory section again in your books. This is like what Louise had on her test, eh? Where it goes then straight across. Does it go diagonally across?
There was a corner there.
Yeah?
Yeah. But before the...
Before the ditch,
yeah.
Yeah, that's what Louise had on her test. So now they have to search on this side. Again, you need to turn, let him find the actual exit point, come into the track, and commit, and go. Yes! Nicely done. Good. That's it. Mean mama. You tell him. And I love that technique of stepping on it.
Oh.
You know, claim the critter hole. Go track. That's convenient when the critter hole is actually on the track.
Yes.
Not convenient when you have to. I don't want you necessarily walking 20 feet off the track, although that might suffice at some points. You'd have to mark yourself pretty well before you left your track to go do it. That's it. So let's see a complete circle here if we can get it. He might not have to because the wind is blowing that way. Either way, I want him coming into it. And there. Nice. That looks good. Yeah, good. So she's using open corner communication, you know, that verbal, is that your track? On every single corner. That's what I'd like to do with Rhodey too. Start verbally asking him at every corner. Is this the good track, Rhodey? So when she asked him, is this your track? He really pulled hard into the track, right? Now he's a different dog.
Yeah.
But we can get that same confirmation from Rhodey that if you ask him, in other words, you're saying, you know, you're the boss, buddy. You're telling me where the track is. You're really telling him that
Good job.
you're relying on him.
I didn't know whether it was a distraction for him. I didn't want him. Good bye.
It's white noise, but it's a neutral question.
Okay.
You need to start asking him for cross-track training.
Okay. Good job.